Check. Yo! What up, what up, what up? Pyramid Strat. What's good? What up, what up? Let's move this over here. Oh, that's kind of annoyingly in the way. All good. You know what? I feel like the mic's gonna pick me up anyway. Tell me if the audio shit. What's good, you guys? Um, awesome, man. Let's get active. This candle just went crazy. Check. Free Palestine. This candle just went crazy. Oh yes, thank fuck. The aircon turned off. Free Palestine. Let's have a look. Hello from Egypt. Yo, yeah, Egypt's been incredible so far. Egypt's been sick. TikTok's updating. Awesome, man. Hope you guys are doing well. China. I'm going to do a top down here. Let's have a look and do a bit of a top down on gold. What up, Jack? Tasmania, nice. Oh, that was Trump. So monthly candles kind of rejecting up, rejecting up here. Check. Wow. I went to clear my throat and I went to say check, bros. Um, weeklies. Fucking what a bullish week so far. Zambia, nice. What up, Habibi? Is it necessary for the candle color to shift reversal for double tap strategy? Is it necessary for the candle color to shift for reversal? I don't know what you mean, brother. Try and write it again and make me know what you mean. I don't understand. I want to help you, but I don't understand. Um, so the daily candles popped here pretty aggressively. Assalamu alaikum. What up? What up? What up? 4 hour. Yeah, I think we've still got room to move up. This current 4 hour has no. Oh, it's just opened up. This just opened up. 1 hour consolidation range. Let's put some levels here as we start to zoom in. Put some levels. When will your stop loss get hit? Never. Never. The good thing for you guys is welcome to the stream where the stop loss never gets hit. And if it does, I'll delete the stream. Love from Egypt. Yo, what up, tight? Is this 1 hour into New York? So here we go. High volume time. I've really just got this level marked on gold. My bias is bullish. Maybe if we get a bit of a bullish closure here, we can look to buy it back up. Who was that bird talking in your Insta vids, Dan? Bird City sending hate from Egypt. Yo, what up, Timo? What up, cuz? I'm gonna have a look here at NQ. Daily moving down. Wow, 4 hour moving down, 1 hour moving down. Not much we can do on NQ, but just getting a bit of a pulse on where we're at. Got New York Stock Exchange soon. Let me delete this and just put some relevant levels. Got some. Oh, this Trump candle really did glitch out the market. And put a level here on gold. Maybe if we get a relatively decent bullish closure here, we could buy back up, but I'm not super keen on that. Bro, I just went into the Pyramid of Khufu or the Pyramid of Giza. I went in there just like 2 hours ago. Fucking bro, so crazy, man. Oh shit, someone's calling me. Oh, yes. Oh, okay, no worries, thank you. Sorry, gang. Good, thank you. It's a mess. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you, bro. All good. Your boys, shit's different now. Shit's different now. I got a fucking rose. You know what? This rose is a part of the stream now. Look at that. Assalamu alaikum. Anyway, let's lock in. I got a wrap of some shit. I don't know. I don't really want these chips. Shit's different now. The camera's gonna keep glitching out. Zesty Rose, bro. If this 15 closes bullish, you can enter? I think so, maybe. Not super keen, but let's have a look. My higher time frame bias is bullish, so maybe. But you could also see it created support and then continuing to break down. If we get a break below here, that'd be sick. Prime of making you hungry? Sorry. Here, have some. I'm sorry, you guys, but shit's different now. Here's the thing. You want to get to a point in your life where on a random, I don't even know what day it is. All I know is I'm in Egypt and I'm about to have a drink. You know why? Because I fucking earned that shit, son. If there's one thing I've done, it's earned this. So what you want to do is get to a point where you feel like you've earned, where you can have a drink on whatever day it is, and be like, yeah, I've earned that. You got to earn moments. You got to earn moments. You wouldn't believe it. Oh, I've got so many stories, man. As soon as we got to the airport, I nearly got into a fight with this scammer who tried to scam someone I'm with. Literally, that was my introduction into Egypt. Nearly like, I ran up to him, pushed him, I was like, fuck. How far can you get with English in Egypt? I mean, I've done everything. You can do everything. Yeah, you're good to go. This candle's getting pretty bullish here. Damn. Tell me why you didn't come to the last Friday Live with Raja. Why? Oh, I forgot about it. To be honest. Cheers. Looks like you just came out of the pyramid, bro. I literally did. Literally did. I've been out, cruising around all day, getting content, like got a photographer and shit. Bro, the music down? Oh. Done. So bullish closure. Big 1 hour wick up here. High time frames are screaming bullish. Still feel like there's range to maybe test down here. Would have loved a bottom wick on this green candle here. I probably wouldn't take this at a closure. If the next candle could wick down and then create like a small body here, I would 100% be way keener. Indiana Jones, bro, in the way down through the pyramid, we were like, everyone was like singing the Indiana Jones song. Da, 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 da. Not that low? Yo, drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, you guys. Oh, look at this, all the way back up. All the way back up. All right, we'll just kick the TikTok in the guts. See how we go here with TikTok chat. Yeah, we've got stock exchange, so I can't pay too much attention to NQ. But I'm blocking you out because you can't just keep filling up the chat with saying nothing. You're in detention for 5 minutes. Doesn't matter what NQ does, can't do anything until stock exchange for me, personally. Couple minutes here for a closure. Yeah, Trump changed his mind. Show me an idol, I'll throw the whip, yeah. Fuck, that was my favorite movie as a kid. No sound? Never look. Right. What was the name of the indicator you told the reel which show you pre-Asia? No, it's not an indicator, it's a website called Baby Pips. Babypips.com. Then you go up to tools, then you go to Forex market hours. And you can see it here. So you can see that we're 1 hour into New York, high volume time. Shake Daddy. Thinking of moving away from IC market, how's Dominion? Well, it depends why you're moving away. What's up, Shubi? How are you, brother? Yeah, Egypt's been amazing so far. Bro, we went to these markets, bro, and got stuck in them. It's these markets on the street, it's just like a maze. We were stuck for like 2 hours. It was getting so stressful, man. I was with a girl and she was just getting like, they were just like freaking pretty much harassing her. All good, my man. Wow, all the way back up. Yeah, crazy hot in Egypt. standing outside trying to get in the pyramid and shit. I was like getting like so angry just in the heat. Well, it's not that bad. It's manageable. All right, here's the closure. What happened to Samuel Onuha? Who's that? Is that like that Dubai dude? Yeah, what happened to him? Oh, I got arrested for walking around naked on the beach, bro. You're gay. Like, how's that even on your radar, bro? Bro, what happened to that dude that got arrested for walking at a beach naked? Please tell me more details. I'm looking at the pyramids right now. Isn't that the craziest shit? Bro, how fucking crazy is that? Staying at the Meriton, the Marriott here. It's like the oldest, most luxurious, most dopest place. Marriott, it's called. It's right there, bro. How fucking insane is that view? Like that's what I'm looking at. I'm fucking getting the signals from the aliens right now. So whatever trade we get today, you know it's got that alien sig. Bro, how wild's that view? Are you in Egypt with Abby? All right. Why, Jake? Is the mic good? Bro, unbelievable, right? Oh, sorry, not bro, Susan, but unbelievable, right? Just so fucking stunning. Like, I'm left with more questions than answers. I thought I would come in and be like, because I'm on the fence. Like, it doesn't make sense how these pyramids were built. Like, it doesn't make sense, right? They had copper chisels back then, but they're using like granite stones, like these 100-ton granite stones. I was in the king's chamber today, and there was 100-ton granite stones above your head. Um, there's no hieroglyphs when Egyptians love to leave their mark with hieroglyphics. There's not a single hieroglyph in the pyramids. The precision of I'm left with more. Yeah, I just don't know. Yeah, it's a little bit claustrophobic, but you get used to it straight away, pretty much. Yeah, I'm getting the Pharaoh signals. History's all a lie, that's a fact. It was built with black magic. It was built with something because it doesn't make sense. And then when you're with it, like what I'm seeing right now, it almost feels like mechanical. Like it feels different. Like it looks different. There's other pyramids to the side of it where we know that the Egyptians 100% made those, but they're all collapsing. They were built like dog shit. These are different. It's different, bro. Yeah, I could never have taken a bite here or anything. I mean, what the fuck did I do to this camera? Yeah. It touched the 4-hour FEG. For double tap strategy, is it necessary for the candle to reverse to the opposite direction for like the buyers? For the double tap strategy, is it necessary for the candle to reverse in opposite direction? Like for buy trade, it must go red first. Yeah, but that would be considered the retest. So you always need the retest period. Nah, I wouldn't type 2 this for buy. I would want to see more of a retest. And yeah, I just would want to see a bit more. You know, to go against such a red candle like that as well, it's just like, because I'm getting conflicting things here with price. I'm getting like higher time frames that tell me bullish, lower time frames are bearish. Like, I want to get like proper confirmation before I jump in this trade. What do you think about pyramids as batteries? Honestly, bro, like even when you're on the inside, I know that like mainstream Egyptologists try to say that it's, oh, it was like a burial chain, it was like a burial memorial for um Khufu, but yeah, it's very strange. Like the inside, it's not like there's no steps. It's not like made for like going in and like hanging out. We had like modern Egyptologists and stuff built steps in there so people could go through it. But it's not like like when you're in there, you're like, oh, this isn't meant for like people to walk up. Like the things like a square, you have to like crouch, like really, really crouch down to get through it. I don't know. No, I don't know. It doesn't. This. It's just so annoying actually being here because it's just like, what is it, man? And then with those like Italian scientists that did the scans with the satellites and they found them pillars underneath. It's like, hey, bro, I'm like I walked around. There's not like a single burial. Like there's not like a single dig site. Like no one's digging to try and see what's up with these fucking pillars underneath them either. Built by traders. Which juice is in front of you? This is fucking. This is big dog juice. I don't know. It's a Saturday. I'm fucking in Egypt. I'm trying to have a drink. Yeah, huge pillars as well. It's just like, it's fucked, dude. There's just who knows. I've been getting cooked lately. Yeah, keep data collecting. Keep data collecting. We Egyptians who built it, not aliens. But show me any type of evidence, whether that be like historical evidence, right? Because Egyptians love to like document everything they did. Why is there not a single hieroglyph depicting Egyptians building the pyramids? There's hieroglyphs of Egyptians building things, but nothing building the pyramids. And also, yeah, why is there no like data or history or hieroglyphs depicting how they built it? There's nothing. There's nothing. The granite stones and things like that they were quarried 500 kilometers away. How do they get these 100-ton granite stones here when they only had copper chisels? Like it's like it nothing makes sense. All right, I'm gonna put a level here. All of my ups they did. Oh my god. No. Oh man, it is weird. You look into it, like you do a bit of digging yourself, like look into it properly. It is very, very, very strange. Like there's so many things that are unexplainable. There was even Egyptians here, and I was like, who do you think built this? Do you think Egyptians built this, or what do you think? I'm like, yeah, brother, Egyptians, of course. And I was like, well, how? And they're like, no, they national project. I'm like, but how? They only had copper chisels. And they don't really know how to answer. They just say, yeah, it was a national project. I'm like, okay. It was aliens, I was there. Nice. Yeah, shebang. But that's stuck in my head. Move on the beat, shebang. Don't. So zesty. Come on, trades. Let's get a trade here. Let's get a trade, you guys, honestly. I'm looking for a trade. Look like Pharaoh? I don't know what that is. Will you buy for close above? Nah. Because look how the 30s would look as well. Be weird. Oh, that's a 1 hour level. When does the 1 hour close? Not for a while. We might be able to get a buy. I want to buy gold. Yeah, we might be able to get a buy, I believe. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up as well if you enjoy the stream. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Here in Egypt. If you read esoteric works from the Bible, it talks about, remember Moses and the 10 plagues were in Egypt. Yeah, there's heaps of biblical history in Egypt. Yeah. With all the pyramids over the world where there's a number exactly. Yeah, there's heaps of like megalithic pyramids around the world which are unexplainable. There must have been, there's like some sort of missing technology. There has to be. Oh, I like your question. Yeah, NYC in 4 minutes. When you're on a vacation, if you lose a trade, won't it hurt your vacation? The reason it wouldn't hurt your vacation is because one, I mean, I'm at a point in my trading career now that I'm so numb to losing trades that it's just a part of the game. And two, you don't go on a vacation as a full-time trader um, basing whether you're going to survive the vacation if you win the next trade. Like the idea is to have money saved up or have, multiple streams or whatever it is. Don't. Yeah, I visited the museum as well. Fucking stunning. The museum is unbelievable. When you mean missing technology, do you mean a source of energy or artificial equipment? Oh, who knows? Who fucking knows, man? Who actually knows? Because there's so much things that we just can't explain it. I don't know where it is, but there's that other area where there's like 100-ton stones, and they're like slotted in like a weird way, but it's in such a way that if an earthquake hits, they're actually better off the weird way that they're structured. But we're talking like 100-ton stones. But when their technology back then, they were like fucking retards. But here they are placing like these, yeah, who knows? There's so much missing history. Yeah, pulling burritos out of nowhere. Yeah, all built by different civilizations who never met each other. Yeah. There's some huge chunk of history that we just it got wiped out, or I don't fucking know. And it's really frustrating. If somebody said to me, "Hey, bro, I'm gonna shoot I'm gonna shoot you dead, but before I do it, I'm gonna tell you this like how the pyramids were really built, what's really up, and all this kind of shit." And you can tell everyone, but I'm gonna have to shoot you. I would have to take one for the team, 100%. I'll take it. Aliens, if you're listening, I'll take it for the team. Tell me the truth, and then wipe me, and let me like post it on my Instagram story, and then I'm good to go. That's how much I want to know. Where can I connect with you? We're connected now, my G. This month, my most trade drawdown in July. Yeah. I mean, look into it. Look into why. Look into why. There's definitely been volume. All right, here's a 30 closure. Here's a 30 closure, you guys. Nothing super interesting just yet, but this is NYSE open, high volume time. NQ's pushing back up. Now that we're in NYSE, I'll start looking at NQ after this first 15 closure. No. And gold. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on these candles now. Now we're kind of stepping into shit. I read some stories. One theory says that ancient Egyptians were giants. Yeah. I mean, if you go down that rabbit hole, then it's yeah. I mean, biblically, you look at the Dead Sea Scrolls, which were, you know what's so interesting? So the Dead Sea Scrolls were a bunch of like history that was put like jotted down on scrolls, and then where it was, I think it was around here actually, and they were going to get invaded. They knew they were about to get invaded by another tribe, so they put all their history, all their, the Dead Sea Scrolls, which is like uh chapters of the Bible now, in scrolls and hid them. And then they got invaded and everyone wiped out. But one of those scrolls is talking about the Book of Enoch, which is all about giants. And yeah, who fucking knows, bro? Yeah, perfectly aligned with the Orion's belt. And if you measure the circumference, the diameter of the Giza or one of the pyramids, it's like the same speed of the speed of light, the same number of the speed of light, which is like 340,000 or something like that per second. There's so many like, yeah, weird anomalies. Another theory says that water level was much higher back then, making it easier. Yeah, but I've looked into that and it's still doesn't make sense. Wow, look, bro, these markets are fucking crazy. What is going on? All right, now, so, bro, this just cooked everyone. It broke the lows here aggressively, then popped up and broke these highs here aggressively. Everyone's just getting chopped. Chop suey for use? Good knowing you, Dan. Wait, what happened? Don't. Oh, you always trade doubles tap strategy? Bro just sent me 72 cents and didn't say anything. Don't spend it all at once. Yeah, read the Book of Enoch. It's pretty wild. It is pretty wild. Wow. Is there news? Yeah, I've seen the Trump thing. It made the market, it made gold go down, but now we're straight back up. I said the higher time frames are super bullish, but I just needed the entry. Drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, you guys, if you enjoy the stream. Get dummy with it. It's not available. I'm gonna unplug this and plug it back in. Check. Oh shit, sorry. Sorry. The person I was just saying, yeah, NQ very choppy to the left. Above here you can see that it is choppy through here. But you got a couple of like sections where you could buy up through. There's a couple of points of like clean traffic. Gold, brother, what are you gonna do with this? Are you gonna let us play? Can trading make someone rich? Yes. Yep. If the breakout candle has no wick, oh yeah, that's right. I was saying, if the breakout candle has no wick, I would still take the trade. Like depend, but because the thing when it comes to price action trading and reading candles and this and that, it's not about like what's this one candle doing. It's about what is the big picture doing. What's the overall sentiment and how does this candle fit in within that? So yeah. How can someone get rich from trading, Dan? Just treat it like a skill and get really good at the skill. This skill brings financial gain. So it's like, thanks for that, GIF A. Right, so get good at the skill of trading. Will you stream tomorrow? Yeah, but not on YouTube, only in the Dissy mentorship Discord. I have only ever seen, I have $200 left to pass my proper count. Even if I pass it, I think I've just won the game and not the entire match. It depends. Maybe you gambled to get to that point and that's why you feel that way. Maybe that's why you feel that way. Is that maybe why you feel that way? Yeah, I bought a souvenir. I just haggle with them. They're like 100 and then I just say 5 and then we just haggle back and forth for 10,000 years. Bro, hey, can you please stop sharing it? It's filling up the chat too much. What's good, Wade? Yeah, the webinar is next Tuesday. That's right. Yep. Webinars moved to next Tuesday. Let me ask my guy if it's the same link as well. Don't. What's up, babe? That's your name. I'm not saying you're a babe, but that's your name in the chat. Did you ever trade ICT strategy? I dabbled the tiniest bit, but I just hated the idea of like, I hated the, you know what I hated? Order blocks. Because it just felt like an invisible area and I didn't like that. You know, when you mark support and resistance levels, you can like clearly see like, it's obviously a level where price is respected and reacting around. Order blocks felt like guesswork too much. I don't even know if order blocks are a part of ICT shit these days. Who knows? No, I didn't gamble due to my earlier experience. I passed my accounts, but I lost it all. Oh, if that's the case, bro, like you're never going to clock the game of trading. You said, I feel like I passed the map, but not the game. You're never going to feel like that. It's an everyday battle, essentially. And maybe not a battle, but it's an everyday just duty. And some days you win, some days you don't. But you probably never... You're going to feel like just neutral. Eventually, you just feel like kind of numb, semi-numb. The market just kind of turns you into like a narcissist, basically, or a sociopath. So yeah, I wouldn't stress about it too much. Don't. Oh, you trade Lucid? Nice, nice. Yeah, it's good. This is gold. I want to visit the pyramid so bad, bro. Yeah, I went, bro. It's freaking amazing. You got to do it. It's very, very weird. It's hard to explain. What's planned for today? Really just looking for looking for a setup, man. It's tough with like this structure so far, but I'd like to take a trade. Let's have a look here. We're about to get some big closures. Both NQ and gold are like extended, one color, quite a lot. So gonna need like some sort of retracement or something. We face everyday battles in the 9 to 5 as well. Yeah, 100%. So I was like, pick your hard. Pick your battle. All right. Pick your battle, my G. I know a battle that I'll happily pick over fucking the 9 to 5. I watch your videos. I like your strategy. I tried it and it worked. Let's go. Yeah. Bro, be honest. I know you make a ton money trading, but you make more money trading selling strat. No, but yeah, they both make good money. Swaggy Rod, what's good, brother? Did you go and ask the gods for life streak to continue? No, I would never ask God other than the God in the Bible for anything like that. The one and only Jesus. I would never worship false idols. Hey, brother, and Khalifa, here's the thing, bro. Why would that matter as well to you? You know what I mean? So if you say, I know you make good money trading or a lot of money trading, like, why would it matter? Right? Like, what was the purpose of that question? Like, what do you get out of that? That's the big thing. Yeah, exactly, Nizzy. Bro, explain price action in a very simple way. It's just looking at candlesticks and then watching them close around areas of interest. And then based on those candle closures, flicking through all time frames, you can build a picture of what may happen next over the next like 50 pips. All right? So throughout those candle closures and using high like session timing and things like that, you can build a bit of a like you can build a bit of an idea of what may happen over the next 50 pips at a point in which you want to enter. And then once you do build that bias and you make that decision to enter that trade, then it's your duty to manage it if it starts to go south, and also manage it if it starts to win. I think a lot of people don't fully believe you can make good money trading. I mean, at this, like, I get it because I used to be like that as well. But you can make a lot of money trading. Yeah, you really can. Yeah. I mean, even with prop firms, like you can make really good money trading prop firms. Like you guys look at one of my guys, if you jump on my YouTube, I've got heaps of testimonials with my guys on YouTube of guys that I've mentored, but you got one of my guys, Ty, he also coaches in my community. He's like 20, bro. And he's made like 150K in the last year. Bro was working at Woolworths making $2 a year before that. Like you get to a point where you start making money and you forget, oh, most people make like $1,000 a week and they have to get up and do shit for like 10 hours a day to make that. And then you'll take like a good trade and yeah. But Jesus was a man, Islam says no. Of course Islam says no. Everyone's going to say, like people are always going to say no to the opposite because they believe what they believe. Would you consider resistance yeah, now my resistance will be based on the 15, not the 30. Oh, okay, here we go. Hey, you guys, next Tuesday, I'm running a full free webinar. You can see here, there's a timer to register. I'm about to put this link in the chat. If you want to level up your trading game, next Tuesday, I'm running a free fucking webinar. And you're going to want to be there. I just posted it in the chat for both TikTok and YouTube. Go there right now before the registration close. And come be at this webinar, my G. Trust me, you want to be there. I just posted the link in the chat. I'm running a full webinar about getting more consistent with your trading. We're going to be going over strategy, psychology, how to pass your funded accounts, how to really lock in and actually... I mean, you're asking, oh, can you really make money with trading? Well, I'm about to show you. So register for that webinar. I'll just post a link there. And let's get back into the show. I have a 99% signal rate. You have a 99% lie rate. Blocked. Hey Daniel, I'm watching you from my truck. Wow, I hope I can make a living off trading. Hey brother, and enjoy your time with my kiddos. Brother, I love you, man. I love the dedication. Look, bro, if I could give you a piece of advice, because I would love to see you succeed, it's one, you should start, if you're not already, use trade prop accounts. Take your time. And like one decent payout can really boost your confidence. And you know, if you've blown a bunch of accounts, like one payout will really that'll fill up all the money you've spent on those past accounts for the last couple months. And then from there, you start building a bit of momentum. And before you know it, oh, I got another $1,000 payout. I got another, oh, this time I had 2 accounts and I got 1,000 from both of them. You can start to build momentum. Awesome, man. What are your main trading rules before taking a trade? Candle closures. Anytime I break my own rules, it bites me on the bum. Candle closures are probably the most important. Waiting for the candle to close. 1, 2, 3 today. Oh, NQ. So let's have a look here at NQ. How long we got to this closure? A while. Yeah, this next candle is going to give us some... Gold's fucking so bullish. It's been so long since we've seen gold bullish. Hey, this week it's been super bullish. Remember how gold just, all it ever used to do was just fucking go up? Brother, demo prop, good as. Actually, what are you talking about? What does that mean? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Bro, I passed my first phase of funded account. Second one seems really hard. Then do an account that doesn't require 2 phases, bro. Oh no, what have I done now? Hello? Yeah, everything's amazing. No, all good. Thank you, appreciate it, thank you. I'll tell you one thing, you guys, because I'm at the Marriott Big Dog Presidential Suite, man, you get treated so fucking well here. Look at my view, you guys. Anyone that's new, look at my view. What the fuck? That's my view off my balcony. Casually, the Egypt Giza Plateau Pyramids. All good. All good. Crazy, right? You guys, I'm from Beenleigh. Broken home, drug addict, alcoholic family, crime, mental illness, retardation, and look at me now. So if I can do it, we can all do it. Are you really in Egypt? Yeah, why do you think I'm dressed like this? Bro, I just showed you the pyramids. Do you think I can do you think I've got the skills to fucking Photoshop a video? Yeah, it's the best hotel here. Best hotel in Cairo. Lucky, bro? Nah, it's not luck. Man, gold's not giving us any fucking chance here, is it? We'll see if we get a pullback. Watching you from an apartment. I'm 18. One day I'll make full-time job. Yeah, keep chipping away, bro. I was like fucking selling cars and doing all sorts of bullshit jobs before I made it. Sick of scammers. Put in the work and dedication. Yeah, get it, bro. The thing is, like, if you've got a full-time job and you're trading, you're really trying to make something of this whole trading thing. One is come to this free webinar that I'm running next Tuesday. Here's the link in the chat. No, honestly, show up here if you actually do want to learn something about taking your trading or, improving your trading. Free webinar. Register now. Next Tuesday. But here's the thing, bro. If you've got a full-time job and you're trying to like chip away at your trading, just make sure you set it as like a game. Like allocate your time very specifically. Okay, I finish at this time. I show up for this session. I take this amount of trades. Be very like robotic about it. And the most important thing is when you do shit on the chart, so you lose a trade because you did something that you know you shouldn't have done, learn from it and then make an effort to not do it again. You're gonna do it again, but make the effort to not do it again. And then over time, it's by fucking the laws of physics. You will get better and you will get close to that goal. Just continually try. There's such power in just trying. Oh, I'm gonna keep trying. Yeah, I'm trading with Apex, but right now I'm just gonna use the Perso. Why is it so hard to stick to your risk management plan? Because trading like really just goes against everything in your human natureness. Like everything. In life, when you like fuck up with something, like your human nature is to like try again or try harder. And when that signal gets triggered in trading, it works against you. So you kind of have to go against human nature. And not only that, you do realize like we're all dopamine addicts. We're heavily dopamine addicted because of our phones. And believe it or not, like the markets will give you an insane dopamine hit, even if you lose a trade. And that's why I've said before, like a lot of traders are actually addicted to losing because you get an intense rush of your heart rate increasing, the jitteriness, adrenaline, and also, a lot of people are very self-destructive. Most people are quite self-destructive. That's why everyone's fat, because it's a form of self-destruction. And, you know, the markets are open, sitting there with open arms, letting, like, please, I'll happily help you self-destruct and ruin your life. So, yeah, it's perfectly set up for a bad time. That's why it takes quite a while to like get all your ducks in order. And I've also said that like if you come from like a good family and shit and you've got like your head screwed on, you're probably gonna have a better time with trading. Right? Yeah. Anyway, what's going on here? Fucking NQ's just flying. Gold's dicking around here. I'm gonna need to see a red candle, man. Hi Dan, this morning I was trying to check the webinar, but I did not get any. Why actually no webinar? No. Read your emails, and it got moved to next week, next Tuesday. How much is a free webinar? Is your strategy really working? Do you have a live Apex funded? No, I just have, funded, normal fundeds. What did you mean I'm fat? Yeah, gonna need a red candle, you guys. This is wow, NQ's fine. Going to need a red candle. Yeah, that's gonna be the issue. This is a 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Wow, yeah, we're just pushing up. This is kind of boring. I'll see what this candle does, but yeah, just green. Come on the stream and you just get green, 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 green. What are you gonna do? Kind of boring. David, check your emails. You'll get updates. You trade breakouts? Yeah, trading breakouts and stuff. But right now we're just pushing. This is like old school gold days. This is what gold done like a year ago. Look at this 1 hour candle, you guys. Yeah, no signs of pulling back at the moment. I know, bro. I'm with you. Give us a trade. What's good, Joe? Sir, please give trade now. Give me things. I'm gonna move this level up to here. What's good, my G? Big Joe trades in the chat. Joey Fizzle. What do you think about coming live during every session? I think fucking why? Why? Do you mean you going live or me? Check trading chat, private Dissy? Oh no. Trading chat, private Dissy. Bro, what the fuck? I trade, Camel don't care. Bro, how is there a USB plugged into the fucking... Plugged into my leg? The hell? There's a USB plugged into my leg. No, this isn't pixels. This is fucking... That's hilarious. This is a fly screen. Yes, that's hilarious. Wall Street in fucking Egypt. This camel's all about it. Not paper trading. Yes, that's so good. Signal, sir. Oh, that's actually hilarious. That's so good. Oh my god, bullish closure city here on gold. I've got one more candle in me. If I don't see a red candle, there's nothing I can do. I don't see signs of it unless something drastic happens. What up, Zane? Where is your Discord? No, that's the mentorship Discord. I've been on your stream for a while. Yeah, I'm in Egypt at the moment. But yeah, so it's remarkable how many accounts I have to block on TikTok that spam like scam signals thing. Do you have many students from Australia? Yeah, I got a pretty decent group of Australians. Yep. Got a pretty decent group of Australian mentorships. No. Mm. Full margin entertainment? Nah, bro. If I full margin, that means that's my. You want me to lose $80,000? Could you imagine losing 80,000 USD for entertainment? New hour closure? Yeah, that is a new hour closure. Look at this new hour. Wow. We're back in old school gold days. Back at it with another gold video. I think we're just going to pump, you guys. I don't see any signs of pullbacks. I don't see a single sign of a pullback. I started my journey with $100 in my account. Then I blew it, so now I have $30 left. Should I buy a 5K funded? And yes. How much you got? 30 bucks. Yeah, just buy a funded. You're going to blow that as well. So then just think about what you're going to do after you blow that. That's going to be the biggest thing. Right? Yeah. So just figure that out. Yeah. That's all. Has your trading changed since going from live? I'm way more patient. I'm way more patient with the live accounts. Like if you have a look at the history, I haven't taken that many trades in the last fucking, 2 months. It hasn't even been 2 months, but yeah, not many trades, man. Not many fucking trades. We just met up, 5 of us. Did you actually, Jack? Yes, did you just get photos and shit? Chuck it to the Dissy. Let's fucking go, bro. Bro, tell me you guys got some pics. Did you trade? Please do more live. I watch your course all night. Oh, nice. Yeah, I try and go live on YouTube twice a week, and it's hard when you travel a lot. Yeah, imagine losing 80,000. I mean, it wouldn't hurt. I mean, it would absolutely just be soul destroying. But you got to remember, this account I started with $5,000. I originally built it up from 5,000 to 117. Withdrew 50 or 60K. I withdrew 50, fucked around with the other 17, and then put 50 in this account. And I'm just growing this account. I'll probably just pull it out again at 100 and just keep doing that. I don't feel the urge to be trading with people like, dude, go from 100K to $1 million. I'm like, yeah, I don't have an urge to fucking see $400,000 in an account, knowing that I could just press a button or wake up one morning and not realize I forgot to cancel a sell stop. Yeah, I don't like the idea of that. Not going to lie, the FOMO is real. Bro, don't. If you have FOMO right now watching this, you got to check yourself before you wreck yourself. You shouldn't feel anything right now. The only thing you should feel right now is oh, this is boring. I guess I'll have to wait for more structure. Yeah. Why is gold rising heavily the past 2 days? Who cares? Didn't take any photos. Brother, that's sick, bro. Fuck yeah. Jeez. Top G's. Top fucking G's. Your spreads look high to me? Yeah, because there's 2 accounts and one has higher spread, the other one has higher commissions. I picked the higher spread, unfortunately. What's good, Lee? Yeah, it's fine that the hour and the 30 should have a clean range, but there's no actual structure to take a setup. That's the issue. That's what the thing is. Oh, sorry. Since you stream online, what's the difference between your Discord mentorship and here, since you have the same strat here so people can just copy you? Oh, I mean, you can copy me, but in terms of understanding the system and the strategy on a deeper level, you're not going to get that on YouTube. Don't. Your strategy worked for me. You made 9K. Wow. Fuck yeah. Give me some. When's the collab with Aaron Trades coming? Yeah. Anytime. Yeah, we've got to do that. Probably next week, actually. For sure. It's been like this all week. I mean, there's been a lot of volume, but yeah, maybe hasn't been that many setups. Yeah, I'm in Egypt. Egypt was reliable. These glasses here, I was looking for the last 2 days to find glasses like this, and I'm walking around these shops, and people are like, sir, buy this. And then I said, fuck. The only thing I've been looking for are those glasses that you're wearing right now. And then I bought them off his face. Bro, I got these glasses off some fucking dude's face. That's dedication. Yeah, if this candle can't get me red, then I'm out. What time's the webinar? I don't know, register and you'll see. It's not easy walking around it. Bro, I got stuck in these markets for like 2 hours. It was like a maze. It was unbelievable. I couldn't wait. Like when I got out, it was like I just got out of fucking hell. Get on the gambling hotline, bro. You'll lose all your bread doing this. Yeah, well, luckily for me, I've made hundreds of thousands doing this. Yeah, haggled the glasses off a dude's face. Look at NQ. Yeah, nothing interesting, bro. Nothing interesting. Put on this outfit. Yeah, I need to see a red candle, otherwise I'm just going to pack up for a while. Need to see a red candle. You know, I jump on for a couple candles, see if we get a structure and take a trade. If I don't see it, I'll just pack up. I'm not the guy that can sit here for like 4 hours and shit. People are like, why don't you take a trade on stream? I'm like, well, I've got 3-4 candles to take a trade on stream. If I don't get it then I'll just pack up, that's why. Go explore Giza. Yeah, I've been doing it. I've been doing it flat out the last 2 days, just 12-hour stints out in the streets. But this is my income. This is what I do. I'm a trader, so I have to show up for trading. I'm a trader. What do you do for a living? I'm a trader. Oh, so crypto? No, bitch. XX Tension, what up, what up? How you finding Egypt? Bro, it's amazing. So dope. So dope. But we don't force trades. Yeah, we just wait for the trade to present itself. If it does, then we click the button. That's all. And it's not looking good right now, that's for sure. How dope's my rat tail? Get ready with it. Are you buying, bro? Yeah, I'm waiting for a red candle, then I'll make a decision. Extashion, no. Ashwagandha trades, yes. Wait, are you Ashwagandha? Are you Ashwagandha trades? Ashwagizzle? I got nothing, man. My man, we got Ashwa Gizzle in the chat. You took a sell? Why, bro? Bro's trying to find the top and bottom. After 4 years of trading, I'm about to withdraw my first payout. What did you do with your first payout? I just brought more fundeds. Congratulations, though. Good shit, man. But yeah, I just bought more fundeds. Straight back into it. First win at the on the pokies. On to the next poker machine. Habibi, no bottom wick. Yeah, that's alright. Bro, try my best. And watch you since challenge 5k to 100k, but I'm still feel like something's missing. Yeah, there'd be a lot of things missing. If you're trying to copy me and trade like I am, based on just YouTube and short form content, you're gonna have a tough time. You know, if you gotta understand, like even the guys that I mentor, it takes them a while, and that's with all the course material, that's with all the webinars, the trade reviews, the trade breakdowns, and everything we do in the mentorship. It still takes a while. So if you think you're going to get a pulse on it just from watching the YouTube videos, it's not going to happen. It's going to give you a good little like head start, a little kick up the bum, but you're not going to be able to really, get to that high level. But I try to give as much as I can in a sense, but in terms of really getting to a high level, yeah, you're not going to get that through content, unfortunately. And more scammers blocked. Hey Denial, hope you're all amazingly well. Question. I see you marked your previous resistance, then the resistance break. Why not enter? One, it was too overextended, so you got 3 green candles in a row. And 2, this candle that broke out, the next one needed to retest and it didn't retest. But even if it did, I wouldn't take it because it's too overextended at that point. Yeah. Any advice for a newbie that's still FOMO revenge trade? Yeah, my advice would be that congratulations, welcome to trading. Everyone goes through it. Now it's your duty to do the internal work and find out why you do it and how you do it and how you're going to stop. It all usually stems after just taking a loss, and it's because you take the loss personally and you're thinking about the money too much. That's always where it comes from. So you get emotional when you lose, and then you try to get it back. It's that simple. So the more experience you get in the game, you realize losing is literally just a part of it. Yeah, it sucks sometimes, but it's literally just a part of it. The next trade, you're going to win and just get it all back. Yeah, it's just part of your journey, bro. You can let it destroy you, or you can try and get better at it. The daily bias, Maverick, is bullish. That's all I've got for you. It's bullish. I really like when you ended the live session when the candle closed against your expectations. Could you please explain how you judge candle closure size structure? Yeah, the thing is, if you're expecting something to happen and that thing doesn't happen, then there's no point hoping that then you're just wasting your time. Right? That's simply all it is. Love you guys. Green City here. There's nothing here. Even this candle closed red, there's nothing interesting for me. I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to walk away from the markets and then come back, have a little bit of a look later on and see if anything interesting presents. But yeah, nothing's happening here for me. I'd like to see a pullback like this. I'll show you. Right. If price kind of pulls back like this, comes down to here and then kind of retests around here or something, and then I could look to try and buy from here. I want to buy the market based on what I'm seeing. So in order for it to do that, it's still going to be half an hour or something. So there's no point kind of hanging around watching the market, just getting FOMO for no reason. So yeah, appreciate you guys jumping on. Egypt, Pyramid Strat, love ya. And I'll see you on the next stream, maybe Friday or something. I'm not sure. Again, if you check in the chat, I'm running a free webinar next Tuesday. Register for this free webinar. Here's the link. I'm going to post it in the chat. Boom. Register before we close the doors, and appreciate you guys jumping on. I'll see you on the next stream. Trade safe. Love ya. Alhamdulillah.